Starting around 20 January 2024, Bitcoin money most certainly is exchanging at $236.56 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. BCH has a very complete market cap of $4,641,135,226 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,310,140 in an extremely significant manner. This by and large makes Bitcoin money, BCH, genuinely positioning at 20 in the digital currency market in an every way that really matters, enormous way. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every way that really matters is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin money be essentially worth in 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Bitcoin money an essentially wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will BCH cost outperform its unequaled high, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? These fundamentally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost most certainly is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $359.35, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the genuinely current year. Ought to in every way that really matters be $346.98, or so they sort of thought. Besides, BCH can in every way that really matters arrive at a very most extreme value level of $419.80 incredibly. BCH value estimate January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Bitcoin money sort of is determined to for the most part be at around an especially least worth of $237.42 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin money value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $267.09, with the typical exchanging worth of $259.67 in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $260.17, which essentially is very huge. Bitcoin money cost can explicitly arrive at a really limit of $280.08, with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $270.06 in United States dollars in a by and large significant way. Bitcoin money value expectation walk 2024, Bitcoin money cost is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $270.97 to $293.58 in walk 2024. While the typical cost of BCH for the walk essentially remains around $280.86 BCH value figure April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Bitcoin money fundamentally is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $276.92. Which truly shows that Bitcoin money value forecast walk 2024, Bitcoin money cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $270.97 to $293.58 in walk 2024, while the truly normal cost of BCH for the walk sort of stays around $280.86 BCH value conjecture April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitcoin money sort of is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $276.92 in a huge manner. The BCH cost could for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $304.81, with the especially normal cost around $289.29, or so they by and large thought. BCH value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Bitcoin money for the most part is determined to be at around a by and large least worth of $285.60, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Bitcoin money value worth can truly arrive at an extremely limit of $316.38, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $297.97 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value figure June 2024. The essentially normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could go to $306.91 toward the finish of June 2024, or so they sort of thought. BCH could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely greatest worth of $331.28 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $297.01 in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value estimate July 2024. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for July 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a by and large least worth of $303.15, while the truly greatest determined cost generally is around $343.56, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The essentially normal cost for BCH generally is truly anticipated to generally reach $313.04 in July 2024, exhibiting that Bitcoin Money value conjecture June 2024. The very normal cost of Bitcoin Money, BCH, could generally go to $306.91 toward the finish of June 2024 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value conjecture August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Money basically is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a really normal cost of $322.43, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $356.08 and a very least of $310.07, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Bitcoin Money cost basically is gauged to especially arrive at a least cost of $319.74. Further appearance how in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitcoin Money cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitcoin Money truly be worth in 2024? Or so they truly thought. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $368.98, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $332.11, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin Money value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the truly greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could fundamentally stretch around $385.58 in a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in October 2024 certainly is $326.38 with an essentially normal cost of $338.75, exhibiting how Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Bitcoin Money value sort of is estimate to arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $319.74. Most certainly further appearance how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered is the Bitcoin Money cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitcoin Money really be worth in 2024?